Okay, Rachel, this is a problem involving consecutive numbers. So how would you like to represent the first one?
A pawn.
A pawn, okay, good. And the next one, please. Pawn and a 1, and that one would be a pawn and a 2. So those are three consecutive numbers. Now, to draw a picture of a scale, so we could do this problem pictorially. We are told to find three consecutive numbers such that triple the last number. Which one is the last number?
The pawn and 2.
Okay, would you show me what triple the last number looks like, please? Okay, the problem says that triple the last number gives the same result as twice the sum of the first two numbers. What is the sum of the first two numbers?
The sum is
The
two pawns and 1.
Okay, the sum of the first two numbers are 2 pawns and a 1. And what would be double the sum of the first two numbers?
4 pawns and 2.
Okay, go ahead, please. Okay, so Rachel, now we have the problem set up. Would you let's solve? Would you do legal moves, please, so we could solve this problem? Okay, would you draw another scale there so we could see clearly what's left?
Also to do with the numbers?
Oh, okay, go ahead, do that. Okay, and how much is left on this side? Okay, what number is this?
4.
4. Okay, so that means that the pawn is equal to 4. So can you now tell me what are the three numbers?
This is 4.
5.
6.
Okay, good. So the three numbers are going to be 4, 5, and 6. So over here you could write the numbers are, you could write 4, 5, and 6 there. Good. Now, all we have to do is we have to do the check, and we're finished with the problem. So first of all, how much is triple the last number?
18.
Okay, over here, let's write 18 equals. Now, let's see if 18 is equal to twice the sum of the first two. What's the sum of the first two numbers?
18.
The sum of the first two numbers is what?
18.
Not double.
9.
9, and double that?
18.
Okay, so 18 equals 18. And you could put a check mark. Congratulations. And what grade are you in?
6.
6th grade. Wow.